In today's video, we are going to see how DENT helps prepaid or pay-as-you-go users worldwide, and how DENT tokens value is derived, and why we need DENT, and what makes DENT so unique if we already have WhatsApp, Viber, and Skype.
Telcos provide auto data top-up to their prepaid customers, but the top-up feature is pretty much limited to only their customers who use their SIM. The user is limited in the following ways. The user on AT&T SIM can only buy data from their provider. User have no access to better data plans outside their provider, and they have to literally change SIM if they have to avail other cheap data plans from different networks. There isn't a fair marketplace for mobile data. They can't have auto top up from multiple mobile data providers. Access data outside the local country of residentship is also a big challenge because international data roaming charges are very expensive compared to most of the networks. Most of the telcos, they make huge money through data roaming. So these are the 5 features that I find as limitations. And how DENT helps solve the all above problems. DENT provides an universal app, mobile app, through which users can avail data plans from multiple providers. Users can bring their own SIM from any provider as long as the provider is in partnership with DENT. Auto top-up of mobile data from multiple mobile data providers without having to change the SIM. Your data goes with you wherever you choose to go. Access to data plans even during roaming in different countries. These are the things that DENT tries to solve through their top-up feature. We know that the top-up feature is going to change. Another question I keep getting is, if DENT is so awesome, then why the price keeps going down? There are 2 reasons to its downside. Market sentiment versus business fundamentals. Market sentiment has been really poor for DENT in the past 3 years during the bull market due to the supply of tokens, which is fair from my opinion, and DENT has been inflating the supply. But market sentiment and fundamentals of a business are 2 separate things. Market sentiment can bring down the price of a commodity or an asset drastically down, but if the fundamentals of a business keeps growing strong, we don't have to worry about the price, as market sentiment is always prone to reversal and the price will catch up sooner than we can imagine. So always remember, the price is determined by not just the market sentiment alone. The fundamentals of a business is very crucial to have a stability and future as well. Now let's review why we need DENT and what makes DENT so unique, particularly if we already have WhatsApp, Viber and Skype. And let's review what DENT could do but WhatsApp can't. Imagine, DENT allows you to buy data and voice minutes directly from their mobile app. That's a very key feature. And then DENT allows to top up data for anyone in the world, cross-country, borderless, and it even allows to share mobile data using their product called DENT Teams. It allows you to call people on their landline or mobile if they don't have smartphone, and IoT devices could be topped up using DENT in the future. You can get free minutes and data for watching ads on the app. eSIM allows global roaming of data with DENT, and you can trade your unused mobile data using the next version of the DENT mobile app. You can even get up to 400 minutes of free international calling time to 141 countries of your choice for holding DENT in the mobile app, which is known as Afterburner loyalty program. So these are the key features that makes DENT so unique, and these are the unique features which are making DENT outstanding compared to most of the social media apps. So now you can see how it differentiates itself. Now let's ask the question, can your WhatsApp or Viber or Skype do what just I told? If you said no, then DENT is obviously unique and it is needed. Now ask the same question other way around. what DENT can't do that WhatsApp can do. So literally there's nothing that DENT can't do which your Viber or WhatsApp or Skype can do. Of course, texting and sending messages and video calling is a unique feature which is not. I see DENT as is like a Uber for mobile data. Uber doesn't own even a single taxi but has integrated all the car owners to share their cars through their mobile app. DENT is pretty much doing the same, but it is doing the same for the telcos. So DENT is like a Uber for mobile data. DENT integrates all mobile data providers under a single umbrella through their DENT app. Uber charges so less that no one prefers the traditional black cab because of open market charges are so less. DENT is trying to create an open marketplace pretty much like Uber for mobile data. So imagine we used to pay 7 quid for a 4-mile ride, whereas it would cost at least 40 quid now in the olden days, and I have to pay even for waiting charges on a signal. DENT is trying to provide an open marketplace, and that's why I see it as a Uber for mobile data, which integrates all the mobile telco providers into a single. Let's have a look now how DENT's token value is derived. DENT tokens value is derived from data demand on the marketplace, which is facilitated by both the DENT consumer app and the DENT Web 2.0 exchange app for telcos. Imagine telcos provided with a trading terminal like Bloomberg for trading data. There are two places from where the value is derived. DENT app facilitates the marketplace for consumers to trade and buy data. DENT exchange app is the next one, and then you have demand for IoT things. Those are the three things that I see as key driving factors for value proposition for DENT. Think DENT outside of crypto space and Bitcoin, Ethereum, as it's trying to create a marketplace driven by consumer mobile data, not just crypto space alone. We all use mobile data on a daily basis, independent of whatever the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum could be. So what value it has in valuing DENT against crypto market, except for the value of DENT traded in the cryptocurrency exchanges. So DENT is pretty much could be thought of as independently outside the crypto space, and its value is derived from the data demand. So DENT value comes and derived from the real consumer facing app and DENT exchange. So those are the two places from where the value is derived. Users buy data using fiat on the DENT app, so it has real revenue model independent of the crypto space. That is a very key important thing. If the value of DENT coin is just derived just from the crypto space, then I agree that the price value is somewhat connected to Bitcoin price. Moreover, right now, whoever is planning to invest in DENT is actually investing in not just in a crypto coin, just like any other ICO coin. Remember, the DENT mobile app and mobile data exists and has an independent market which is nothing to do with the crypto space. So remember, mobile data exists and has a market independent of the crypto space. So DENT coin can completely and safely decouple from Ethereum and Bitcoin dependency for good sake, because the total telco industry is worth 1.5 trillion and we all buy mobile data independent of what's the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum in the crypto space. So DENT can derive value independent of the crypto space. That's the beautiful model of DENT token. So that's why I keep saying DENT is trying to solve a real world problem. So now let's have a look at how DENT is creating a disruption in 4 different areas. The first is it creating a mobile marketplace using their DENT mobile app, and then you have a DENT exchange which allows web trading. It's like a web trading app platform for telcos to promote data plans. And then you have the DENT tokens which are traded in crypto exchanges, and then you have Internet of Things, which IoT devices can use DENT for data needs. Those are the 4 areas where it could disrupt things. And imagine What could happen to token price if DENT app has more than 500 million users? Imagine that just for a minute, forgetting about the current price of DENT, because you have a huge market for mobile data, which is there are more than 8 billion mobile devices around the world. So that's the market size for DENT, and that it's trying to disrupt the traditional telcos. And I want to share a few statements from the founder of DENT, who is Miko. In the end, there is only iOS and Android that are relevant today. Symbian, BlackBerry, and other operating systems for mobile phones, they all died. And most mainnets will in the blockchain space will have the same destiny, because there is just no need for them. As a developer, imagine you don't want to develop many mainnets, been there, done apps for 10 years on different mobile platforms. It's just a pain, and you will concentrate on the most popular ones. In the end, the situation with blockchains is no different. Is quite similar to what mobile operating systems was 10 years ago. Nobody needs 20 competing blockchains. If you look closely at the dApps radar, all the blockchains are struggling with adoption. Hardly any blockchain has users. In fact, DENT alone as an application is on similar level of daily users as EOS, Ethereum, and Tron combined. Not a good sign for them, and there are a lot of innovations coming. Whatever the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum could be, but DENT is and will be completely operational even if Bitcoin price goes to zero in value. It will not, but just I'm exaggerating here. Mobile data is not going to go away. As long as there is demand, so long does DENT as a utility. Mobile data, I don't think so is going to go away in the next 3 to 5 years time. Does Bitcoin price has anything to do with your mobile data consumption? I suspect not. So let's take the market cap of crypto out of our minds and think DENT in terms of mobile data, and the value of it is traded in the crypto exchanges, and it has nothing to do with the price of Bitcoin whatsoever. Think DENT as a commodity and its value derived from data demand. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to DENT community channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and give your likes if you like the videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.